If English makes you feel nervous, you are not alone. Many learners feel the same way. The good news is this: you do not need exam grammar to speak good English. You only need a few simple ideas that people really use in daily life. In this video, you will learn grammar that helps you speak more clearly and more naturally, not for tests, not for marks, just for real conversations, at work, with friends, and in daily life. Let us start with something very common. Many learners try to speak with long, perfect sentences. This often causes fear and silence. Native speakers do not speak like that. They use short, clear sentences. For example, instead of saying, "I would like to inform you that I am not able to attend the meeting today," you can simply say, "I cannot come today," or "I will not be at the meeting." Short sentences are correct. Short sentences are natural. You are doing well when you keep it simple. Now let us talk about tense. This is where many learners get stuck. In real speaking, you do not need all 12 tenses. Most daily conversations use just 3: present simple, past simple, and future with will or going to. For example, I work from home. I worked yesterday. I will work tomorrow. That is enough for clear speaking. You do not need to worry about perfect tense every time. Focus on meaning, not rules. Another helpful idea is using the continuous form to sound natural. Native speakers often say, "I am working on it," instead of "I work on it now," or "I am looking for a new job," instead of "I look for a new job." This form sounds friendly and natural in conversation. If you are doing something now or these days, the continuous form is your friend. Let us talk about questions. Many learners worry too much about perfect question structure. In real speaking, simple questions are okay. For example, instead of saying, "Could you please tell me where the station is located?" you can say, "Where is the station?" Or even, "The station is where?" People will understand you. Clear questions are better than perfect questions. Another common problem is overusing grammar words like whom, shall, or whomsoever. These words are correct, but they sound very formal. In daily speaking, people say who instead of whom, and will instead of shall. For example, "Who are you talking to?" sounds natural. "Whom are you talking to?" sounds like a test question. Choose the form people really use. Now let us look at mistakes. Many learners stop speaking because they're afraid of small errors. This slows progress. Native speakers make small grammar mistakes too, especially when speaking fast. What matters is that your message is clear. If you say, "He go to office yesterday," people still understand you. Later, with practice, you will say, "He went to the office yesterday." Improvement comes from speaking, not from silence. One more helpful habit is using common patterns. Phrases like, "I think," "I feel," "I need to," "I want to," "I am trying to." These patterns are simple and powerful. For example, "I think this is a good idea." "I need some help." "I am trying to improve my English." These sentences are correct, natural, and easy to use every day. Remember this: grammar for speaking is about comfort, not perfection. It is about being understood, not being correct all the time. Every sentence you speak is practice. Every mistake helps you grow. You are already doing something great by learning and listening. Keep going. Speak a little every day. Trust yourself. Your English is improving more than you think. If this video helped you feel more confident, please like and share it with someone who is learning English too. And subscribe to Instant English Tips for more simple and useful English for daily speaking.